Introducing the Galaxy Ring. Designed to be worn 24/7, the Galaxy Ring is lightweight and comfortable so that you can track your health throughout the day and the night. The Galaxy Ring includes 3 sensors that help measure your sleep, activity, heart rate, and more. And by continuously syncing with the Samsung Health app, it unlocks powerful, personalized health insights, all this with no subscription. Supporting this level of uninterrupted monitoring is its powerful battery, which lasts up to 7 days on a single charge. Made from strong, lightweight titanium, you can wear this ring everywhere.
It will be available at $399 US.
Introducing the Galaxy Watch Ultra.
We have added titanium cushion frames to increase durability. It lasts up to 100 hours in power-saving mode. This is possible through powerful optimization of hardware and software, like the 3-nanometer application processor, an innovative Big. LITTLE chip architecture, which is 3 times faster than the previous CPU. This is the first smartwatch powered by Wear OS 5 in partnership with Google. The Galaxy Watch Ultra introduces our first precision dual-frequency GPS system. The advanced bioactive sensor has been engineered to provide greater precision. It gives more accurate measurements of key health metrics, such as heart rate and oxygen saturation. The Samsung Health Monitor app provides advanced tracking capabilities, including blood pressure monitoring that is CE marked in the EU, and ECG, which has received US FDA clearance. It's the first of its kind to be authorized by the US FDA for detecting signs of sleep apnea. Thanks to our new sensor, we're now able to also provide your AGE index. It will help bring out your best performance for every adventure. For those seeking a versatile, everyday health companion, the Galaxy Watch 7 is your perfect match. The Galaxy Watch Ultra will be available at $649 US. And the Galaxy Watch 7 will be available in a range of models, starting at $299 for the smaller Bluetooth version.
The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is our slimmest and lightest fold yet. When closed, the cover screen is now wider and taller, providing a comfortable viewing experience. We've upgraded the display with new materials to provide our most advanced and durable screen ever. With the dual-rail hinge structure and strengthened folding edge, the bumps of everyday life are minimized. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has an NPU that is 42% faster than the previous generation. We've also ramped up the GPU, and our CPU has been enhanced by 18%. All of this is fueled by an optimized, more efficient battery that drives this powerful chip for extended performance. With the Galaxy Z Fold 6, experience unique AI features on a large screen.
The Galaxy Z Flip 6 comes with a 50-megapixel wide sensor and with the inclusion of a vapor chamber for the very first time, performance is optimized and the battery is able to keep up with you all day.
Discover new ways to express yourself with the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be available starting at $1,099 and $1,899 US, respectively.
The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro monitor the fit, using the built-in mics to measure sound leakage and dynamically adjust the sound curve and active noise cancellation for the best audio. The adaptive noise control reduces unwanted background noise. But what about sounds that need to be heard? These sounds will be heightened by readjusting the balance between ANC and ambient mode to correspond to your surroundings. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro offer increased audio clarity with our advanced earbuds featuring enhanced two-way speakers and dual amplifiers. With separate controls for the woofer and tweeter, sounds can be independently adjusted for optimized sound. The ultralight and thin diaphragm of the planar tweeter accurately reproduces high trebles without distortion.
They'll be available at $179 and $249 US, respectively. And all of the products you've seen today will be available from July 24th.